Right now I am going to use the Bissell little green machine to clean my seats here in the car. I've got a small child and they have become a wreck over the past couple months, so it is time to clean them up. I have done a tutorial on how to use this machine. I will link that in the description of this video. But right now, let's go ahead and get to work here. We're gonna kick it on and start cleaning up these seats and see how it does. So here you are. If you look at the seats here, you will still see some spots. However, check this out. So if you look at my seats here, this is the actual fabric of the seats. And if you look at these seats here, it's got this netting, this mesh that's over it. So that is an issue, making it harder for me to actually get to those stains that are under there. So I'm not going to fault the machine for that. I am much happier with how my seats look now. I'm going to go over it again. That's how you can use the little green machine to clean your seats in your car. And I've got other videos on how to use this machine as well if you want to check those out. Also, if you like other DIY stuff, please feel free to check out some of my other videos. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.